Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's a showdown between YouCam Perfect and Craiyon, Craiyon. Both of them use AI, but they couldn't be more different. Which one would you use for your finance brand or content? Let's break it down. Let's start with ease of use. This is a feature that YouCam Perfect has. It has one tab and it is beginner friendly, so it is easy to use. While Craiyon, on the other hand, has simple prompts, but the results can vary. When we look at the AI tools, YouCam Perfect has Retouch, Purify, and Background Removal AI tools, while Craiyon has AI image generation from text prompts. When we look at the price, YouCam Perfect has free plan plus affordable premium plan, while Craiyon has free plan with ads and premium plan for faster results. When we look at what they're best for, YouCam Perfect is best for polished selfies, LinkedIn photos, and branding shots, while Craiyon is best for creative, fun, experimental, finance visuals. Let's look at the speed. YouCam Perfect has instant edits. Craiyon is slower because it depends on the generation time. And lastly, look at the output style. YouCam Perfect has a clean, professional, social, ready kind of output that it gives to you at the end, while Craiyon gives you a unique, quirky AI art style image. So in conclusion, YouCam Perfect is built for speed and polish. It is perfect for professional photos, LinkedIn headshots, or quick branding. Craiyon, on the other hand, is an AI art generator. It's experimental, fun, and can create wild visuals from just a text prompt, but results can be a bit of a hit or miss. So if you want professional polish, go with YouCam Perfect. If you're looking for creative AI generated art, Craiyon is the one for you. Which one should you choose? YouCam Perfect or Craiyon? Drop your answer in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more smart comparisons right here at Twoguysfinance. Catch you in the next one.